Hello everyone and a very good day to you all. I hope you are doing well and ready for another exciting journey into literature. Today we are exploring Wole Soyinka's postcolonial play A Dance of the Forests. As a work of postcolonial drama, it carries the feature of the genre, challenging colonial legacies, reclaiming indigenous culture, blending myth and history, exposing social and political flaws. So let's begin. Introduction of the postcolonial drama. In English literature, postcolonial drama emerged from a politically charged genre that interrogates the legacies of colonialism, imperial domination, and the struggle for national liberation and cultural reclamation. This form of drama emerged as a response to the colonial experience and to deconstruct its ideologies, languages, and the theatrical traditions. Postcolonial drama not only reclaims indigenous narratives, but also critiques the cultural, psychological, and political ramifications of colonialism. Through its reimagining of myths, history, and language, postcolonial dramatists have transformed the stage into a site of decolonization. The historical development of postcolonial drama. Postcolonial drama emerged alongside mid-20th century independence movements in Africa, Asia, and the Caribbean. Playwrights blended traditional performance forms with the theaters to address national identity, cultural hybridity, and neo-colonial issues. Its growth can be seen in three phases. Number one, anti-colonial resistance, 1940s to 1960s, drama as political resistance. Number two, post-independence reflection, 1970s to 80s, focus on corruption and failed nationalist ideals. Number three is globalization and diaspora, 1990s to present, the themes of migration, hybridity, and identity in a globalized world. Major postcolonial dramatists and their works. Number one is Wole Soyinka. As the first African Nobel Laureate in Literature in 1986, Soyinka's works are significant for their philosophical depth and exploration of power. He challenges both colonial oppression and post-colonial corruption. His dramas fuses the oral traditions of Africa with the structure of Western tragedy. His works like Death and the King's Horseman and The Lion and the Jew. Number two is Derek Walcott, Saint Lucia, a poet and playwright who grappled with Caribbean identity. Walcott's plays incorporate classical themes within post-colonial Caribbean context. Walcott's language is lyrical. His plays challenge the binary of colonizer, colonized by exploring the fractured identities left in colonialism's wake. The themes and forms in postcolonial drama. Postcolonial drama explores the tension between indigenous and colonial cultures with a focus on hybrid identities. It uses language as a tool of both oppression and resistance, reclaiming suppressed histories and offering counter-narratives. The genre also addresses themes of migration, diaspora, and the double marginalization of women. By integrating indigenous performance forms, postcolonial dramatists challenge Western theatrical conventions to reflect cultural authenticity and political engagement. Let's move to the drama, A Dance of the Forest by Wole Soyinka. Historical context of the drama. A Dance of the Forest is a play written by Wole Soyinka. It was first performed in 1960 to celebrate Nigeria's independence. Soyinka, who later won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1986, is known for his contributions to African literature and his exploration of the cultural and political issues facing Nigeria. A Dance of the Forest is considered as one of Soyinka's early and significant works. The play is known for its complex and symbolic narratives, which explores themes related to Nigerian identity, the impact of colonization, and the tension between tradition and modernity. It delves into the rich cultural heritage of Nigeria, drawing on Yoruba mythology and symbolism. The play revolves around a community that gathers in the forest to perform a ritual dance. Throughout the performance, various characters embody different aspects of Nigerian society, and the narrative unfolds through a series of symbolic encounters and dialogues. Soinka uses traditional African theatrical elements, dance, and music to convey deeper meanings and messages. As with many of his works, A Dance of the Forest reflects the complexities of post-colonial African identity and the challenges faced by a nation transitioning from colonial rule to independence. It is a layered and thought-provoking play that invites readers and viewers to engage with its themes and interpretation. The title significance. The title combines two powerful symbols, dance and the forest. In African traditions, dance is more than performance. It is a form of expression, ritual, and storytelling. It conveys emotions, cultural values, and the communal identity. The forest, on the other hand, often presents mystery in the supernatural and the ancestral realm, symbolizing the complexity of African traditions and histories. Bringing these images together, the title suggests an interplay between culture and nature, as well as tradition and modernity. Dance becomes a bridge between the living and the ancestral worlds, while the forest embodies the unknown forces that shape a human destiny. This fusion highlights the tension and harmony between past and present, tradition and change. The relevance of A Dance of the Forest lies in its ability to offer insights into complex social, political, and cultural issues. It serves as a mirror to the struggles and aspirations of African nations during a critical period of transition and continues to be a valuable work for the study of African literature, postcolonialism, and the human experience. The setting of the drama. In drama, the setting refers to the physical, geographical, and environmental backdrop of a play. It includes time, place, scenery, and atmosphere, helping the audience understand where and when the action unfolds. The setting shapes the mood, tone, and themes, making it a crucial element of dramatic expression. In Soinka's A Dance of the Forests, the setting is a Nigerian forest. On the eve of independence in 1960, the forest is both a real and symbolic space where human, historical, and mythical figures interact. As a natural environment, it reflects Nigeria's deep ancestral roots. On a cultural and spiritual level, it embodies Yoruba traditions, rituals, and the presence of ancestors. Historically, it serves as a stage where characters confront colonial legacies, corruption, and the struggles of nation building. The forest also hints at environmental concerns, pointing to the dangers of exploitation and the loss of heritage. Thus, the forest is not a passive backdrop, but a central symbol, representing the tension and harmony between past and present, tradition and modernity, and shaping the play's exploration of identity, renewal, and post-colonial challenges. Now, let's move to the characters. Number 1, the major character is the dead man and the dead woman. Restless souls accusing the living of their crimes. The man was a former army captain, castrated and reincarnated. The woman, his pregnant wife, executed on Madame Tortoise's orders. Number 2 is Aruni, a one-legged forest spirit who summons the dead, preferring confrontation to passive ancestry. Number 3 is Muret, a tree demon who offers exposition, enjoys drinking, and quarrels with the fellow spirits. Number 4 is Ishoro, a vengeful spirit embodied as an agaba tree demanding retribution from Dimok. Number 5 is Ogun, the god of metal workers, Dimok's guardian who defends him against Ishoro. Number 6 is Oromol, Dimok's apprentice, murdered out of jealousy. Number 7 is Dimok, The master woodworker who created a totem but burned it in guilt over Orimol's death. Number 8 is Rola, Madame Tortoise. Initially presented as avoiding family, later revealed to be a local prostitute, tied to the original Madame Tortoise, who ordered the women's death. Number 9 is Egberico, messenger and soothsayer, charged with summoning the dead. Adenibi, orator for the local council complicit in the deaths of many, including condemning the dead man. Number 11th character is Obaniji, forest head, a secretive clerk who turns out to be the human embodiment of the forest head, favoring non-intervention. That's it for today. In this lecture, we talked about the setting of the play, the title significance, and the characters. In the next lecture, we are going to talk about the themes and the character analysis and so on. That's it for today. Thank you so much.